Finally, after more than a decade's wait, I present to you the Chuan Park. Jointly developed by Kingsford Development and MCC Land, Chuan Park is located in the mature estate of Lorong Chuan in District 19. Situated in a prime location, the project aims to offer modern and luxurious living spaces to its residents. The development comprises of 916 units designed to cater to various lifestyle preferences and family sizes. These units ranges from 2-bedroom to 5-bedroom units. Residents of the Chuan Park can look forward to a comprehensive suite of amenities and facilities within the development, including a swimming pool, gymnasium, landscape gardens, barbecue pits, and function rooms. These amenities are thoughtfully designed to promote a healthy and vibrant community lifestyle. With the Lorong Chuan MRT station at the doorstep, the development's strategic location offers residents convenient access to nearby amenities such as international and public schools, shopping malls, and dining establishments, ensuring a seamless and fulfilling lifestyle experience. With its blend of modern design, premium amenities, and strategic location, the Chuan Park aims to set a new standard for luxury living in Lorong Chuan, attracting discerning home buyers seeking both comfort and convenience. Approach your preferred Orange Tea consultant for more information.